Hey everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name's Jonathan, I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews. And today's video, we're going to take a little break from Louis Vuitton and we're going to do an Apple unboxing. So let's get into it. So before I get started with today's video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. It does help my channel grow. And if you're a love Louis Vuitton or just a luxury fan in general, then you're definitely going to love it here. So definitely hit that like and subscribe button. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Currently at Yorkdale Mall. Gonna be picking up my new iPhone. The glasses are foggy. Mall is closed. Just picked up my new iPhone. It was a lot quicker than I expected. My appointment was at 6:30 and I just showed up 30 minutes earlier and they gave it to me. I just had to show them a piece of ID and my email confirmation, but yeah. Now let's get back to the house and I will do a proper unboxing. So I actually haven't upgraded my phone in 3 years, so it was like well overdue. I am currently using an iPhone 10, so I thought that I just definitely needed it. So I was looking on the Apple website and I obviously missed the launch date for this phone because it did launch in early November, and so obviously I missed the mark, and so that way, like, if I wanted to get it shipped to my house, it was going to take about 4 weeks. But I actually was on the Apple website the other day and it actually became available for pickup, so I instantly checked out and it actually only took 2 days for me to actually get the phone. So I was really lucky. And I'm also going to do some accessories unboxing, and I bought a case as well as a screen protector because it is a must. With the Apple screens, you know that they're going to scratch really easily, and I want to keep this phone in pristine condition because I don't necessarily know when I'm going to upgrade again. So let's just go ahead and open the unboxing. So I did get the iPhone 12 Pro Max in the Pacific blue color. As you might be aware, blue is my very favorite color, so this seems fitting that I was going to be able to get a phone that is blue. I did like actually the gold color, but traditionally I always got the gold or the black iPhone depending on the style that they had, and I'm low-key loving that they actually went back to their original roots with the whole like squared off edges, because one of my favorite iPhones was the iPhone 5 that I just loved how that shape of it looked. So I'm super happy that I was actually able to get this. So enough of me rambling, let's just open it up. I know a lot of you like to hear the sound of the plastic opening, so I'll just do that right now. Box that it comes with. It says iPhone on the sides in the color that you purchased, and so I'm just gonna open it up. Oh wow, this is not what I was expecting. This blue looks really good. I'll do some close-up shots for sure, but oh, I'm so excited to finally have this iPhone. I've waited so long to finally upgrade, and I'm so happy that I was actually able to do so. So yeah, I'm gonna set it up and then I will be right back. So before I actually set it up, I'm just gonna show you what's inside the box. It does come with a new charging cable. It has the USB-C to Lightning adapter, and then it also does have the care instructions or the manual, and it does come with the SIM ejector tool as well as one Apple sticker, but I never actually use the Apple stickers, so I just always keep these inside the box. And you'll notice that you actually don't get the brick with it, as well as you don't get any headphones. I know I've heard that Apple is trying to reduce their waste and wants to go like completely waste-free by 2030, if I'm not mistaken. And so they also made the packaging a lot thinner, so that way they can ship a lot more iPhones and fit them a lot more inside their shipping pallets, which is kind of okay, but I have so many bricks, I don't necessarily need it, as well as because it still has the Lightning port, I can still use my old chargers and it'll work perfectly fine. But this iPhone does come with the MagSafe. I did not buy the wireless charger for that because I do have already a wireless dock that I use to charge my iPhone 10 because that is wireless charging. So yeah, That's just whatever comes into the box. And now let's get into the actual phone itself. So I also did pick up a case as well as a screen protector. The screen protector cost me about $30, and same with the case, so both together they were about $60, and I purchased these at Walmart. The case that I got was a clear case from Spec, and then I also got an invisible shield screen protector. So I definitely will be putting this on right away, and as well as the case, because I don't want to ruin it. And I also got the clear one because I got the Pacific Blue. I want people to know that it's a blue phone. And eventually the novelty is going to wear off, so I'll probably buy a different case for this. But as of right now, I'm just going to stick with this one because it was the only one that they had at Walmart at the time. So yeah, this is the accessories that I purchased. Okay, so that took a little bit longer than I thought. It actually took me about a little bit over an hour to actually fully set up my phone. I wanted to restore from the iCloud backup, but I realized that I had 145 gigabytes of iCloud backup that I did not know. My previous iPhone 10 was 256 gigabytes, so I guess that could be the reason. But when I checked the storage on the actual phone, I didn't actually use that much. I only used about 100 gigabytes. So I guess 40 gigabytes has been carried over from other previous phones. So I had to completely start over from scratch and just update whatever was on my current iPhone 10. And the reason why I didn't film the setup is because I currently film on my iPhone 10, so shout out to the new videos that are going to be coming out. They're going to be shot on this new iPhone, so the video quality should be a lot better. But yeah, this is my new iPhone. I am so happy that I was actually able to get this, and if you watched my previous video, it was actually my Christmas wish list, and this was actually on it, and I did not expect to get it that quickly. But yeah, this is my new iPhone 12 in the 128 gigabyte in the Pacific Blue. So this was also my just a quick unboxing. I am currently I did put the screen protector on here, and I am using that Spec case that I did show you guys earlier. I just wanted to make sure that it was completely protected before I even started to use it. And the minute that I had set it up, I just wanted to put the screen protector on again, so I couldn't film the setup and the accessories portion just because I film on my iPhone 10 and I needed that phone to transfer all my data over. But yeah, I will let you guys know how this phone works out in my life. But I'm super excited, and I'm just so happy that I actually am able to start using it. And other than that, the setup, I have no complaints so far. And if you want to see how my aesthetic is on my iPhone, I did do a previous video on this. I'll leave it linked up to here. But yeah, this was my quick unboxing of the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thank you so much for watching. Question of the day is, did you upgrade your iPhone this year? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.